Welcome. Welcome to Mastery Max Cheese Bites. Good morning, Mastery Max. How are you? Are you going to watch us do primary motifs day 2 today? Let's put you in your seat and you can watch us. So, let's start out with doing our eye exercise. So have someone hold an object in front of your eyes and go to the left, go to the right, left, right, left, right, up, down, up, down, up, down. So there's a good exercise for our eyes and get both sides of our brain working. Now, the next thing we do is we do our warm-ups. We do our figure 8. So let's put the first one on, and we did that in day 1, so I think you're getting pretty good at it when you've done it for 5 days. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now let's put this one on. And remember, have your X on the floor. If your chalkboard's on the wall, then you stand there and you don't move. Just move your hand. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now we will do the racetrack. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Make sure your mouth is telling your hand what to do. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So do it about 3 times. All right, now we can rub that off and we'll start day 2 motifs. So you can take out your motif writing book if you have one, and then you can look at the first motif. So can you see here in my book? It's large loop, large loop. So let's go, Mastery Max. And remember, standing in the center. And we're doing large loop, large loop, large loop, large loop, large loop, large loop, large loop. And I say put the bottom large loop. And remember, holding your bossy finger at the top, and these other 2 fingers are the helpers. And you also can rest it. Rest it between your thumb and your finger, right? Then you'll be able to write for a long time and not get tired. Let's look at the next motif. It's around, 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 around. Looks like a lot of bumpy roads. Around, 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 around. Try to make the bumps the same. Around, 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 as far as your hand can reach. And the next one is down, around, down, around. So let's make a nice straight down. Down, I'm going to use 2 spaces here. Down, around, down, around, down, around, down, around, down, around, and I'm trying to cross on that line. Down, around, down, around, down, around, down, around. And if you don't have lines, just draw a line and see if those are all in a straight line where you crossed, okay? So that's one way you can tell that you're doing a good job. The more you do, the better you'll get. Now we're going to go up the hill, down the hill, 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 up the hill, down the hill. Remember, when you're coming up, your hand is doing what your mouth says. And the last motif for day 2 is 1, 2, 3, curve. 1, 2, 3, curve. 1, 2, 3, curve. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, curve. 1, 2, 3, curve, and touch the bottom line. 1, 2, 3, curve. 1, 2, 3, curve. 1, 2, 3, curve. Good job. Now, I'm going to show you then that we can practice on paper on our plastic mat. So that's another way you can practice too, just to have variety and a change. Remember, hold your marker or your pencil. I'm using marker because you can see it better, but you can use a marker if you have one. So we're going to do large loop, large loop, large loop, large loop, large loop, large loop, large loop. Now I don't have any lines, but I'm trying to make them all the same size. Around, 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 around. Very good. Aren't we doing a good job, Mastery Max? Now, down, around, 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 down, around. Now we're going up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill. Up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill. Oh dear, you're not able to see my board because I haven't got it on there. So I guess I better get a new piece of paper and try it again. Okay, let's try it. Large loop, large loop. Large loop, large loop, large loop, large loop, large loop, large loop, large loop. Can you see it that time? I think you could. Okay. Now we're going to do around, around. Around, 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 around. Now we're going to go down, around, 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 down, around. Up the hill, down the hill is the next one. Up the hill, down the hill, 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 up the hill. And I'm going to end up down the hill. Now we're going to do 1, 2, 3, curve. 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 And so we've practiced them on the plastic mat that we have as well. Wasn't that a good job, Mastery Max? Our brain cells are really working hard. Now you can go to your traceable alphabet book. And if you finish the vowels A, E, I, O, U, now you can start tracing the letters that are the consonants. And you can start with B. B says B in bat. So you could work on your letters as well. Thank you, Mastery Max, for watching us. And we're going to practice that every day. Bye for now. Mastery Max Cheese Bites. Learn a little bit each day. Bye for now.